You may want to take snaps with the ultra-wide feature, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix ultra-wide camera missing on Snapchat. Without further ado, let's get started. So first off, I'm going to open up Snapchat right here and show you where it can be accessed. So if you have the ultra-wide camera feature, you should be able to see this two arrow thing icon right over here. So just click on that, and that will automatically turn on the ultra-wide feature. Now, if you don't have that, you need to take note that this feature is coming out on a rolling out basis, so it may not be available for everyone at the same time. Then the next thing that you can do is to go to your App Store or your Play Store if you have an Android, and let's check if our Snapchat is up to date, because that might be the issue. So just search on Snapchat, click on Snapchat, and check if it is up to date. If it says open right here, that means that your Snapchat app is currently up to date. However, if it shows an update button, just tap on that so that you will be updating to the latest version with the newest features. Now, if you have updated it and it still does not show, you can go back to the Snapchat app. And under all these tools right here, you can see the plus icon. So you can tap on that. And listed right here, you might be able to see the ultra wide option, widen your lens. So you can just click on that to activate the feature as well. Now, if you don't have that, you can also manually pinch out of your camera screen right here, anywhere in the middle. And that will also automatically enable the ultra wide feature. Now, if those ways does not work, that might mean that your device may not support ultra-wide camera, so that might be on the specifications of your device and you will not have that feature on Snapchat. So that is how you can basically fix ultra-wide camera missing on Snapchat. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.